that was fun. Let's learn to play piano scales in 3 steps. Analyze, organize, and memorize. I'm Lisa, and I'm the teacher here at Piano Video Lessons, and I like to make piano playing easier for you. So let's get started. This is the scale of A major, and you'll notice there are 3 sharps in the key signature of A major. I'm using Tomplay's A major scale exercise, and I'll put a link in the video description where you'll find this exercise and all the other major scales as well. We're going to highlight each of the black keys in this scale. So we're going to have C sharp, and then we're going to have F sharp and G sharp, C sharp, and F sharp and G sharp. And let's just trace over the notes that we're going to need. So we have A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. So we've got a nice little sense here of the geography of where those notes are going to play on the piano. So now let's analyze the finger numbers that we need to play in this scale. And you'll notice that the right hand has groups of 3, 4, 3, 4, while the left hand has groups of 4, 3, 4, 3. So this helps us analyze the types of fingering patterns we're going to be having. But now let's organize this information so that we can make sense of it. So we have both finger 3s on the first C sharp. So when my right hand plays 3, my left hand plays 3. We have both finger 3s again on F sharp. So when I'm playing F sharp, both hands finger 3. When I get to that middle tonic, I'm going to be playing both thumbs, and then both finger 3s on C sharp, and then again both finger 3s on F sharp. So we know that we always have to play finger 3s together, and then this first finger 3 tells us to change our right hand thumb under. So let's just go ahead and play through that. We have 5, 4, both 3s. Now this is my time to go under with my right, and now I've run out of fingers in my left hand, so I bring my 3 over. And now I'm on A, so I play both thumbs. Now I'll come over with my 4, not my 3, and the reason is because I have a 2 coming up next in my right hand. My 3 is coming on C sharp, so that means if I have a 4, I'll be ready with both 3s at the same time. Then I'll tuck under. Now I'm on 3 here, so when I ran out, I bring a 3 over. So it's as simple as that. Putting your 3s together, putting your 3s together. Here comes A, both thumbs, 4 with 2, both 3s, thumb goes under, both 3s, and then finish on A. So now we get to memorize, and the best way to memorize anything is to practice it a lot. So we're going to use the Tomplay app or website, and we're going to use the play along feature to accompany us as we practice these scales. So let's choose this epic accompaniment because it's epic that we can play our scales. The tempo setting, the standard setting for this one is 80, but you can change it. You can go faster or slower, totally up to you. And then we can also turn on a piano keyboard visual. It'll appear down at the bottom of your screen. You can also record yourself playing along with it. You can loop it. You can write directly on the music with the annotation option here in the corner. But I'm just going to go ahead now and play along with the audio track. Here comes the accompaniment. Epic. You can see at the bottom, there's some dots showing me which notes to play. You can see the finger numbers. And you can see a line helping me keep track of where I am. So it's going to do the next variation, but let's change the track this time. Let's do a pop accompaniment for the second variation. If you'd like to check out the Tomplay app for yourself, I'll put a link in the description. Every major scale is there in different levels, and as well as all kinds of other sheet music and backing tracks for pop music. You can find lots of great stuff there on Tomplay. Be sure to check it out. Let's do a pop accompaniment for the second variation, which adds some accents into our playing, which really helps us with our learning our accurate fingering. 2 Accent the first note. 1. Accent the third note. Bossa Nova accompaniment. So that was fun. Now there's another variation. Let's change this one to a classical accompaniment. Jazz. Which is an 8th note pattern, and it's going to go fast and 4 octaves. Let's do a pop accompaniment. I liked that one. So that was super fun. And if you would like to get the Tomplay app, if you don't have it already, the link is in the description. Be sure to check it out. All right, and if this was too complicated for you and you just want to start at the very beginning, be sure to check out my beginner piano playlist here on YouTube, and you can learn piano from zero all the way up to Furlies and all of these two-handed scales and more. Awesome. I'll see you next time.